People ask me how to change their IP address on their Android app all the time, and usually they don't mean techie network hacker change. They mean how do I stop apps from tracking me, or how do I access Netflix from another country? Fair. There are basically 3 ways to change your IP address on Android. Use a VPN app, switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data, or reset your router. Each option sounds simple but comes with different levels of effectiveness depending on your goal. For most people, using a VPN is the easiest and most reliable method. You install an app like NordVPN, ExpressVPN, or ProtonVPN, tap a button, and boom, your IP says you're in Switzerland instead of Portland. It's fast, secure, and works 99% of the time. But not all VPNs are created equal. Free ones aren't just slow, they often log your data, sell it, or leak it. If privacy is your reason for changing IPs in the first place, this is kind of defeating the entire point. Always check for a no-log policy. Now, if you don't want to use a VPN, you can also trick your phone into getting a new IP by toggling off Wi-Fi, waiting like 10 seconds, then switching to mobile data. The IP assigned by your carrier is different from your Wi-Fi one. You can also do the opposite. Switch off mobile data and connect to a different Wi-Fi network, or forget your current network and reconnect. This might refresh the IP assigned by your router depending on your ISP's rules, but it's not guaranteed. If you're on home Wi-Fi and want to change your IP, unplug your router for about 5 minutes, sometimes longer. When you power it back on, your ISP may assign you a brand new IP address. Your mileage will definitely vary on this one. The problem? Most routers use DHCP and stick to the same IP unless you wait hours or manually release it. You can speed this up by going into your router settings and pressing the release button under IP configuration. But that feels very 2006. Now, say you want to change your IP within just one app, like a browser or Netflix. That's where split tunneling comes in. Many VPNs let you choose which apps use the VPN and which ones don't. Super useful and often overlooked. One more trick. If your VPN has servers optimized for streaming or torrenting, always use those. They're less likely to get flagged by apps and are way faster. If Netflix got wise to your IP, just disconnect and reconnect the VPN. You'll usually get a new one. Remember, changing your IP doesn't make you invisible. Apps still track you through cookies, device IDs, and GPS. If you're worried about privacy, pair your VPN with private browsers like Brave or Firefox Focus. No tool is perfect alone. Last thing, some people just want a fresh start with a game or app they were banned from. In that case, change your IP, clear the app's cache and data, and sometimes reinstall it. It's not foolproof, but it's as close as you're going to get.